Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to review Inflow Inventory. Inflow Inventory is amazing inventory software that you can use for business, and I really want to save you time, so I'm going to show you what you can actually achieve with it and why it's really good. I'm going to start with the two main advantages straight away. So when you would scroll down below to the description and click on a link, you will get directly to Inflow Inventory and you can try Inflow for free. So this is the first thing, is that they have a free trial for 14 days and you don't have to add a cart. And I always say it for every single tool there is. If you have option to start a free trial without adding a cart, that's a big thumbs up for me that there isn't a paywall. So like many times when I would add a cart to a program, it's much harder to cancel the account and then they charge me. So I don't like it. And Inflow Inventory doesn't do it. So this is a big thumbs up for Inflow Inventory, and that's why I would definitely recommend to test it out by yourself too. So click on the link description and then test it out by yourself. Now, this is the first thing. The second thing that I really like about Inflow Inventory is customer support. They have the top-notch customer support there is, and they're really helpful with anything you need. You can even come here, like I always like to read reviews, just not only my experience about the tool, but the other experience with the tool. And when you would come here, you can see that they got plenty of 4.6 out of 432 reviews, which is really damn good. And many times when I even read the cons of the others, what they were saying, you could easily find that plenty of those cons, like, do you know what kind of hardcore cons there were? That they don't have the many invoice templates, you know, like them. And I don't even know if I should like say it on a video when I see this kind of con. But other than that, all the necessary stuff that should be covered are covered really well with Inflow Inventory. So if you're gonna use it, you're not going to actually make a mistake. But of course, you can also access with or without with the link down below in the description and then see it by yourself. Now, that's the first thing. The second thing, these were two things. The next things that I want to show you is if you want to use it as a software for inventory control, barcoding, manufacturing, sales and invoicing, B2B portal, purchasing and receiving, reporting, integrations, mobile. You can simply click see all features, and see for everything that you can actually do it. And you see it's heavy on the features, what you can achieve with it. So when I would come here to the barcoding, and this is the one thing they were saying, it's really easy to work with. Save time with every scan that you can use. Speed up everyday work. Scan to receive, scan to pick products, scan to check stock, to transfer stock. Everything can be covered by Inflow Inventory. When you would come here to the and check the pricing plan, you see that they have the standard, the light, the plus version. Even the light is really cheap. And you see right here, available add-ons, unlimited inventory locations for $180. Even the standard is pretty good. So definitely check it out. It also depends how many team members you need. Free integrations in standard version. In plus, you would have unlimited support in all light, standard and plus, and this is a huge thing. I really think so, that when you're gonna have like on light, on standard and on plus, everything covered. So Inflow Inventory in that regard is really good. Reporting is also advanced, so that's good. Now when we go even further and we see the barcoding, what you can achieve, you can go to inventory control, self-confidence, and you see it's pretty straightforward and pretty easy. Real-time inventory control, what is happening, and this is like quite good. Then you get also the purchasing and receiving. Purchase order software synced to your inventory, save time with all-in-one software purchase order, and choose when to restock. Records cost automatically, eliminate double entry and connect to QuickBooks Online. So as you can see, you got covered everything. Now I really recommend, guys, like if you're gonna have any questions or your opinions on Inflow Inventory, write them down below in the comments. I would definitely like to read it. Like, what are your thoughts about Inflow inventory? If you like it, if you don't like it, what do you like about it? What you don't like about it? I'll be really happy to hear and listen to your like ideas and thoughts about it. So this was pretty much it. And now I don't know what else to show you. You're gonna have also the hardware here with a smart scanner, with a printer and accessories. So that's something you can access to. Then you see also the print barcodes labels directly from Inflow Cloud. And it's also really good. So you can really automate a lot of stuff. And those employees are helpful all the way. So if you're gonna need any help around Inflow inventory, they're going to help you. So thank you very much guys for watching. I hope this video kind of helps you to understand if it's worth it, if it isn't worth it, if you should do it or no. Only because I read plenty of reviews, I know more than 30, 40, but other people are saying that this is the con. The free trial period is only 2 weeks, right? Cons, so far we have not seen any downside to using this product. So easy to set up, easy to install it, easy to do everything with Inflow. So this was the Inflow inventory review and tutorial kind of. Thank you very much guys for watching. If you can have any questions, ask down below in comments if what you can achieve. Definitely contact the customer support, they are really helpful. You can do it with the link down below in the description. You don't have to do it, completely up to you. I would recommend you can support me that way too. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.